Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an installation and review video for the SuperShieldz glass screen protector for the BlackBerry KEY2 LE. So I was super happy to get my BlackBerry KEY2 LE. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of accessories out there, so I went out on the Amazons and I bought this SuperShieldz screen protector, which I used previously on multiple other devices. I'm a big fan of them. They always come in a 2-pack and they're only like $8 or $9. So super good deal. You can check them out on Amazon. It's got all the information on here. If you're curious at looking at that, it just talks about the screen protector itself. Anti-fingerprint, ultra clear, real glass, extremely sensitive, hard-coated, and it's got the oleophobic coating on there, so you don't have to worry about it leaving permanent looking fingerprints and all that stuff on the screen. Very important. Alright, so we have our KEY2 LE. We have our screen protector. My wife is waiting on me so we can go eat dinner, so I'm going to try and make this as quick and as efficient as possible. I've got my Zeiss lens wipe so I can go ahead and clean the screen off. Alright, so I'm going to open the package up. I already pulled the sticker off. If I can get in there anyway. There we go. Alright, so they've got a thing here, stop, please watch our installation video, which you are welcome to do. So we have our screen protectors here. This one doesn't come with any of the accessories to help clean your screen or to install anything. So we got this going for us as well. Take that. Alright, now that I've got the screen wiped off, I'm going to go ahead and use my packaging tape, like I do in all my other videos. Go ahead and get any remaining stuffs off the screen, which this isn't nearly as large as some of the screens I've been dealing with lately, so this should be a relative breeze. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have any of the aligning stickers with it. I wish that it did. Unfortunately, it does not. So we're just going to have to line it up with the speaker port, the handset speaker up top, and that should get us close enough to where we can install this properly. So I am a big fan of some of the newer screen protectors that come with those cool little trays. Those make life so much easier. This one's kind of like the old-fashioned way and fly by night. Alright, so there we go with our tape. And turn this to the side here. So we've got our handset speaker opening up here along with the camera. We're going to go ahead and take this and line it up. Alright, so I've got that lined up there. Should drop into place. There we go. And it seems like it did a pretty good job for the first try. This one does have the black border around it with the cutouts, so you make sure you get that lined up properly so everything seats good with the icons down there. It might be a little bit easier if you do it with the screen turned on so you can see it, but I went ahead and I lined it up with the camera and also, let's see if I can see that. Yeah, it could be a little bit more to the left. And it seems like everything's in the right place. Okie dokie. And Bob is your uncle. So all installed, fresh, safe, clean, secure, ready to go. Anyway, so this is the SuperShieldz glass screen protector for the BlackBerry KEY2 LE. Again, you can pick them up online on the Amazon. I think it was about like $8 or so for the 2-pack. As you can see, it doesn't come with any of the extra stuff in it, so make sure you have some packaging tape. If you don't have packaging tape, if you have some leftover Christmas tape, then that'll work too. Of course, regular Scotch tape is much thinner and it's not as adhesive, but pretty much any tape will do. Don't use duct tape because it will leave a residue. And then use alcohol or lens cleaning wipes. I recommend these Zeiss cleaning wipes, which is what I use. So I use those all the time to make sure that my screen is nice and clean. So anyway, that's all that I got for the installation video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section and I'll get back with you. And I'll see you guys next time.